Let's look at two friends, early Emma and late Larry. Emma starts investing $200 a month at age 20. She stops at age 30 and never adds another penny. She invested $24,000 total. Larry starts at age 30 and invests $200 a month every single month until he's 60. He invested $72,000 total. Who has more at retirement? Even though Larry invested 3 times more money, Emma wins. Because her money had an extra 10 years to simmer, she ends up with significantly more. This proves that time is more valuable than the amount you invest. The cost of waiting. At its core, compounding is just interest on interest. In simple interest, you only earn on your original deposit. In compound interest, your earnings start generating their own earnings. Let us try to understand how math works by taking $1,000. With simple interest, you only earn money on your original deposit. Year 1. 10% of $1,000 is $100. Your balance is $1,100. Year 2. You earn another $100 based on that first $1,000. Your balance is now $1,200. After year 3, you earn another $100. Your balance is $1,300. It's a straight line. Every year you just add $100. It's predictable, but it's slow. Now, watch what happens with compound interest. This is where your interest starts making its own money. Year 1, 10% of $1,000 is $100. Your balance after year 1 is $1,100. So far, it looks the same. Year 2, this is the pivot. You don't earn interest on $1,000 anymore. You earn it on $1,100. 10% of $1,100 is $110. Your new balance is $1,210. Year 3, now you earn 10% on $1,210. That's $121 in interest. Your new balance is $1,331. By year 3, the compounder already has an extra $31 for doing absolutely nothing. It doesn't sound like much now, but let's zoom out. After 30 years, the simple interest account has $4,000. The compound interest account has over $17,400. Same starting money, same interest rate, totally different life. They say Albert Einstein once called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Now, let's be real. Einstein was busy with black holes and relativity. He probably never actually said that. But whoever did say it was a genius. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Whether Einstein approved the message or not, the math doesn't lie. Compound interest is a double-edged sword. It can either build you an empire or become your financial prison. If you have credit card debt at 20% interest, that magic is now working against you, digging a hole you can't climb out of. There's an old proverb that says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. In compounding, time is more important than the amount you invest. If you start at 20, you can invest half as much as someone starting at 30 and still end up with a much larger forest. Every day you wait, you are effectively chopping off the biggest years of growth at the end of your life. Don't wait for the perfect amount of money. Start with whatever you have today. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need a start. How to start today? Pay off high-interest debt to stop the negative compounding, automate your savings to let the machine work for you. And be patient. Compounding is boring for the first 10 years, then it's life-changing. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a message in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to make your money work harder than you do.